you guys. Make sure y'all tap and please subscribe. We're on the way to Mount Batur.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, we're on the way to Mount Batur. We got a beautiful team, guys. You know, say what up, YouTube. Hey.
Yes, welcome to the Mount Batur Jeep.
Yes.
Was very nice. ETIQUETTE. Yes, I hope so, brother or sister. I hope you come to Mount Batur try. Was very nice traveling.
As you can see, guys, to my right, your left, Mount Batur. How beautiful it looks.
The Mount Batur area. Right now we are in the black lava. Was very nice view here. Around here was very big area. It's very wide. So if you see in the back over there is the summit. There's the top. Is the Mount Batur.
In the 1900s, eh?
Yes, the Mount Batur. There's the three craters. This is the first eruption from the right side, and the second one from in the middle, and the last one from in the west. So the first eruption from 1926, and the next 1963, and the last from 2000. Is big lava. So on the top there's the main crater. There's the steam also. This is the animal also in the top.
Animal.
There's the monkey on the top.
Wow.
Monkey.
Do the monkeys bite?
No.
Are they nice? Are they nice like the ones in the monkey forest?
Yes. It's the monkey and the Mount Batur not aggressive. It's very smart and very kind. So someone can to do trekking and the jeep also. We can to do like activities on the top because on the top very big area, very wide. So we are bring like our tool like banana and breakfast. We can cooking on the top in the hot steam.
Wow.
Because the Mount Batur the real active the volcano. Every time the smoke coming out.
Okay.
Yes.
And the real question is, can I get a massage up there while I'm at it?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Okay.